Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this brand new 2021 Sea Ray 280 SLX. So the SLX is the premier series for Sea Ray. We did option the 28 with the windlass anchor. And then as we kind of walk down the side here of the boat, this is the nice rich Sea Ray blue color and then the white stripe along the bottom. And then I'll point you to the tower here. We did the manual white tower, so that does go down and up, and then the bimini attached to the tower as well. So let's go into the interior and take a look. All right, now we're at the transom of the boat. There's a couple things I just want to point out. First being the submersible swim platform. So there's a button right on the inside of the boat that you press, and the whole bottom will come down, and that's the swim platform, and I can either stand on it or sit on it. Easy way to get up into the boat, and then press the button and it goes back out. So really cool feature. Obviously you've got the nice sea deck along here. You've got a nice place to sit out in the back. There are some backlights that pop up as well if you'd like. Those pop down. There is some storage underneath there. We've got a nice little pull-out shower right here. I've got a cooler underneath here as well. This is where that button is for the platform. My battery switches are right underneath here, and it just kind of comes right into the cockpit area. Beautiful seating in this 28-footer. We've got the LED lighting on, so you can see the lighting all the way around. We do have a charger in here, so you can plug your boat in if it's sitting at your dock. I mentioned the tower, nice tower. You can actually tow from up here too. There's a nice tow point. We've got seating. This does spin all the way around. You've got the bolster seat. You got a double bolster here, double seat here, storing in the floor, and this is all the sea deck that's snap in, snap out, so it's easy to clean. As we look at the head, very nice upgraded head, sea deck down there. Really nice looking. We got the dual SIM rads up here as well, so everything's touchscreen. You've got all sorts of information that you can get to, engine, GPS, I mean, everything that you really need. The SLXs are a lot of push buttons, so engine hatch, windlass, all the accent lighting, everything has a nice push button to it. This does have the Mercury 6.2 350 horsepower engine in it as well. So as we come to the front here in the bow, you'll notice we have some more storage in the floor. There is storage underneath this seat here, and then this one does pull up here and here and reveals some nice deep storage. This one was optioned with the bow filler cushion as well. And this boat is sitting right here in our Rogers showroom, so if you want to call us and get an appointment, you can. Otherwise, thank you for watching the video, and always click the like button and click to subscribe to follow all the videos we're sending out every day.